welcome to the video. I'm here today and I'm with my Roush Mustang, and it's been a while since I did a video on this. So today I'm taking this car on a road trip. Last night I was able to download the sync update to put this to sync 3, version 3, which allows me to have Android CarPlay in my car. So I'm excited about that. I'll be able to have Google Maps display it on my navigation screen, which is great for Germany because I didn't have any Germany maps on my factory nav. So that's going to be great for that. So let me pull this thing out, and then I'm going to go fill this thing up with fuel, and then I can tell you where we're going. Alright, I got the car cleaned up and I'm ready to go on this road trip. I'm excited, but like I said, it needs some gas. We need to go to Esso, so that's going to be my next stop. Let's go fill this thing up. When we get in the car, I'll tell you where we're going. Alright guys, I'm off. Finally. I had a lot of delays. I actually just went and picked up this GoPro Hero 7. I've seen some things online, and it's a great camera. The stabilization's much better, and I'm hoping that you can hear me better because I don't have to have my microphone set up. So I'm hoping this is a better camera setup for vlogging in the car. So hopefully this is working good. That's all I got about that. But I'm on my way to get gas. I got to fill this beast up. And last night when I did the Android Auto for the car, I screwed up big time. I only have one key for this car. It came with one, and I bought another one on eBay, which you know, I meant to get programmed, and I checked one dealer and they gave me a hard time about it because my car is US spec. It really shouldn't make a difference. So I only have one key, and I was playing with the settings last night, and I got into the My Key settings, and I accidentally created a My Key, and I didn't realize that My Key is like a grandpa that watches you. It disabled my track mode, it disabled my radio for being played loud, and it really sucks that it did this to me. I really wish I didn't play with the My Key settings. I was just in the car fumbling, and I didn't realize exactly what I was doing, and shit, I restricted my car. I think it's stupid, and I thought that the key that I had would be the admin key, since that was the one that made it, but it wasn't the admin key, and I have a restricted car now. I can't even go into track mode, which isn't that big of a deal, but I'm missing some track apps and my line lock and stuff like that, and my radio doesn't play loud enough. With the windows down, I can't even hear it, so it sucks. So I'm gonna go fill this bitch up, and then I'm gonna tell you where we're going. So you guys probably already know because of the title, but that's where I'm at. See you soon. Alright guys, we're off. I'm full of fuel, and my next destination is going to be the Nürburg ring. I am going there. SuperspeedersRob is going to be there tomorrow to do some driving with the winners of the Project Car Challenge. He brought them over, and they're all going to be going to the ring tomorrow. And tonight at the Apex, they're going to be doing a meetup. So hopefully that's still on. I haven't really seen much of it other than when Rob was at the airport saying, yeah, we're going to do a meetup Sunday night, the 7th. So I'm hoping that's still on. I'll go there tonight and see if anybody's around. And hopefully I can meet SuperspeedersRob. If you don't know who he is, which you probably don't know who I am, you probably know who he is. But if you don't know SuperspeedersRob, I'll put a link in the description below, so you can go click on his thing, and you can see what his YouTube channel is all about. But he's a big YouTuber. He's got Ferraris and Corvettes, and he puts out a lot of content, does a video a couple times a week. So I've been following his channel for a year and a half now, and he's coming to Germany, so I'm gonna go say hello because he's in my neighborhood, you know. So hopefully that goes well. As far as the Nürburg ring, I don't know if I'm going to take this car on it or not. I might just take the Apex taxi and go for a ride with them. I don't know if I want to risk my car being taken out by somebody stupid. I know that I could probably do it and be responsible, but you never know how somebody else drives. So I just want to be careful and you know, not take any chances that I don't have to. All right, we're getting on the Autobahn here, and it goes unlimited almost immediately. So let's see if we can exploit that. I don't think we can exploit that. Way too many cars. Alright, I just made a detour at my house and got my sunglasses out of the trunk. And also, I had a blank key that I got off eBay. And now tomorrow I have to go see if I can find a Ford dealer and see if I can get that key program as an admin so I can unlock this car. I'm really, really mad about, you know, programming the my key. I thought it was like, oh, this is my key and the other key would be somebody else's key. But, you know, it was stupid to put on, and now I got restrictions, and it really pisses me off, really. It's stupid, it was unnecessary, my car was fine, I could have just left it alone, but, you know, I was playing with it, and, you know, I shouldn't have touched it, you know, but what can you do? It's too late now, and it forces me to get that other key program, so that'll be a good thing, I guess. So I'm on my way to the Nürburg ring. Right now my ETA says it's 3 hours and 9 minutes, and right now it's taking me on some back roads, and as you can see here, not on the main highway. I guess there's some traffic, and this is going to take me around some of it. I'm sure I'll still hit most of it, but 3 hours I'll be at the ring, and hopefully I make it to this meet, and I can meet the famous Rob Ferretti. We'll see how it goes. Here's a view of my Android Auto app that puts the maps on my display. This is what I did last night with that update, and as you can see, it makes it a lot better to use your navigation and get everything on your screen here. I was interrupted by the navigation, but as you can see, it makes it a lot nicer to have the navigation on that screen here from my phone. I'll keep you guys updated as I get closer to the ring, and hopefully this journey will be fun. I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, I'm back on the Autobahn, and I'm doing a whopping 10 miles an hour. So this is typical German traffic. If you see these things on Facebook that says, oh, the Autobahn, what you think it's like, and it looks like this, and then Autobahn, what it's really like, it's like this. So this is reality, and you know, the Autobahn on a Sunday morning, maybe at you know, right when the sun comes up, it might be a little less crowded, but a lot of times it looks like this. And what's happening up here, it goes down to 2 lanes, and then you go up a big hill, and they slow it down to 100 kilometers, and you know, then it'll pick up again after everybody clears out. So that's what I'm just waiting for, and working my way towards the Nürburg ring. Alright guys, I made it here, and the building's right over in front of me over there. And behind me, I squeezed into this little parking spot. Look at how small this Miata is compared to my Roush. It's funny. Alright, well I'm gonna walk up here and see what's going on. Alright, so this is where Misha does all of his videoing, and this is Apex, Nurburg. And there's a big crowd here. We'll go down here. And there's the McLaren that's famous. And here it is, they're all getting the cars ready and cleaning them up. This is where it all happens. Hello.
Hello.
Bruce.
Hi, Misha.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I've seen your videos, I've been following you.
Cool.
Tomorrow, what does it take to be taken around the ring in one of your cars?
Please go inside because my colleague knows the schedule. So maybe you can book it through here. Just go into the office.
Okay. Alright guys, I just booked my track experience for tomorrow. There's a closed event, but at 10:30 I get to go out and they're going to take me around in an M3. Tomorrow I'm going to go around and we'll see how it goes. They said I couldn't film with my own cameras because they're gonna sell me a video of the lap from them. That's only €30. So I bought the video, and I'll be able to show you guys all everything from that. So I'm looking forward to it. I'll come down here at 10:30 tomorrow. All right, the crowd seemed to disperse around here, and I have to find where they all went. I mean, I came to meet Rob Ferretti, and I haven't even done that yet. There's a pretty good crowd down here. These are all the cars down here everybody brought. This is also where I'm parked. Here's Rob himself. I'm gonna say hello as soon as he's done with this guy. Hey Rob.
How are you?
Bruce.
Bruce.
Nice to meet you. I saw that you guys would be here, and figured I'd come down and check you out.
Absolutely. Where'd you come from?
I live near Stuttgart.
Okay, cool.
And,
yeah, we were there the other day, I think.
Oh, were you down there?
Yeah, we stayed in Stuttgart.
Yeah, it's my Roush right here.
Oh, nice. I figured from the shirt.
Yeah.
So,
you know.
What'd you do to it? Anything?
Nothing yet. It's all stock.
Are you allowed to do anything over here? It's pretty tough to...
Well, I'm working for the U.S. here.
Okay.
So I got different registration rules.
Okay.
So I got an active exhaust that I'm going to put on there.
Sure.
And other than that, I'm going to keep it stock because it comes, you know,
Keep it stock,
1,200 horsepower like the one you're renting.
Yeah, exactly. Was that, what stage is that?
It's the stage straight. It's got the 670 horsepower.
Yeah, that's more than enough.
It's a 2016.
It was, I mean, the gears were long enough where it didn't feel too fast. It was usable.
Yeah.
So it was a fast car that was usable.
Yeah.
If anything, it probably needed a little bit more brakes.
Yeah.
But
This
other
one
than that, it was a good, well-rounded car. Is it manual?
Yeah, it's a manual, and this one's got pretty good brakes. I don't know if mine are upgraded from the one that you rented.
Yeah, I don't know. That girl's full of shit.
Yeah, she was. But it's pretty awesome. The only thing I don't like is it's limited at 155.
Okay.
So on the Autobahn, it stops real quick.
Yeah.
You know, you just reach the limiter
I'd like to see that
and
thing.
it stops.
That's really rich.
Yeah, it's fun.